Hey guys, so I was going to show you a quick removal. I'm wearing French Fantasy from curedbeauty.com, and I've had these on for, tomorrow will be 2 weeks. So I'm on day like 13 today, and I'm ready to make a change. So I do have the Zinipin base gel under here, which I think is part of why I've had such a great result, because I've never worn a semi-cured gel strip this long ever. The longest I've ever gone is like 10 days. And they're usually lifting at the tips. And what I'm gonna use today to do this removal is, this is to remove the actual strips. This is my own concoction of 50% acetone, 50% cuticle oil. And then we will be using the acetone to actually remove the base gel. The tools I'm gonna use today, we have our cuticle pusher, which is for base gel. We're gonna use our ThatOhoraGirl dual end tool for removal of the strips. Anyways, let's get started here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drizzle this acetone oil mixture all over my nails. Okay. Let them really soak in. On the tips. So I should add that these are like super on there. I mean, they're not even like starting to lift at all. So this is probably gonna be a little bit of work, but wow, that's actually kind of coming off pretty easily, surprisingly. Kind of working under there. Once you get a little bit under, add a little bit more solution. You just see it working, right? There it goes. All in one piece. You can see that strip held up really well. Okay, so then all that's left is a little bit of like adhesive residue, which I don't know if you can see that. Kind of here in the corner. And then the base gel, which is pretty much completely intact. That is like shocking because it's been so long, and in my past experiences, when you wear it that long, it kind of like really melds to the adhesive on the strip and then like kind of crumbles off as you're removing, so. Okay, so there we go. They're all off. So there's just this like adhesive residue, and of course it's really, really oily. And now to take off the base gel, we're gonna be going into the just pure acetone. So I'm actually gonna go wash my hands, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I went ahead and poured myself some acetone here, so that we're ready to go with that. But first I wanted to show you what these look like. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can see that it's like super shiny. That's the base gel that is left over. So there are a couple like spots where it's like kind of scuffed looking, and that's where some of the base gel like kind of flaked off. But for the most part, it's all kind of still there. If you're in a situation where, you know, you're changing your nails pretty frequently and you don't really want to replace it, If it's in good shape, you can reuse it. I mean, this one has some like tiny little scuffs, but like you could definitely, if it's pretty solid, you can reuse it. You don't have to create a new layer and remove everything. So the first thing we're gonna do for removal is I'm gonna use the rough side of my file. I'm just gonna kind of like scuff up the top of it to allow it to saturate a little bit more easily. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle pure acetone all over the base gel. Try not to get any on your like table. That's not good for your table. So I do one coat and then I go back with one more coat of acetone. I'm gonna test with my cuticle pusher to see how it's, yeah, see this one's pretty good. It's pretty much ready. It just really softens the base gel so that you can just scrape it right off of there very easily. Like this little corner needs a little bit more acetone. And I'm not pressing hard, you know, I'm just scraping it, the topmost layer. So it looks pretty good. He gives one more little drizzle just in case there's anything else left there. So you can go back with a like cotton pad, or I have those lint-free, let me show you. I have these lint-free cotton wipes, and these are great. They're super thin. I think I got these on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But anyways, it's really good to just make sure you got every last bit of it off of there once you've already scraped it. And there we go, that one's done. So I'm pretty much done. And I just want to show you guys how they look. They should have, you know, pretty matte appearance once you've gotten all the base gel off. I did go wash them. And that's kind of what I'm left with. And I'm ready for my next set. So next I'm gonna do a application video for Zinipin that shows all of the process, including the base gel. So stick around for that. And thanks so much for watching.